Let us take a look at cables. First, double click and let's make a very simple numeric slider. Let me go to Math, Operators, and drag and drop Addition. Now, it's quite easy to get the grip, drag it, drag it, drag it, and connect it. Very simple. Let me copy paste. As in Rhino, hit the Alt key and you can copy this numeric slider. Let us repeat. Drag, drag. Oh, if you have a hard time doing that, do it from right to left. It's the same thing. Now, let me get a panel and get the result. So if you move this one, 5 plus 10 equal 15. If you want to disconnect this cable from this numeric slider, there are many ways. Number one, press Control and drag. Look at the red arrow and the minus. You can disconnect it this way. Let me connect it back. The second way is you right click, disconnect, and there you see the preview, the purple curve. Left click and you disconnect. Let me connect it one more time. If you copy paste this one over here and you try to connect this one to B, notice that the first numeric slider gets disconnected. Let me try it again. Oops, this one gets disconnected. Just press the Shift key and add it to the connection. So 5 plus 10 equal 15. 5 plus 10 equal 15. Perfect. If I might have a multiplication and you want to connect this one over here and take all these connections and move them from this to this grip, all you have to do is press and hold Shift and Control and very carefully, voila, you move them over here. Let me see, copy paste, connect, and there you have it. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. If you want to get all these cables back, Shift Control, and there you go. Now, look at this. If I pre-select this numeric slider, I can right-click, disconnect, disconnect, select it, and that will disconnect that one. Press the Shift key, connect, and you can disconnect and preview the one that you want to disconnect. All right. I hope this is enough so that you can continue with these mini tips and tricks.